You want to crank this on the heat, but there's some stuff up above there apparently we don't want it to catch on fire. So I just had to use this crap valve. That wouldn't be the first time a handyman pissed me off. This is hot, so we gotta get something metal to set it on. We might go right back on this because he's got a coupling up here. We don't want to mess with it. It's up here out of the way where we can't really reach. I'm not too happy about that. Anyway, let's take a look. Our new valve, let's see what it's going to look like. Here, I had a good spot for you guys. We're going to have to move it. There's this little table set up there. Here it is. That's a pretty good one. Pressure balancing valve. That's what you want. Part we want right here. That's the only one I would put in. Alright. What I want to do is remove the cartridge out. That pin. This part pulls out here. find a good spot to put this in the pin. Preferably like a plastic bag or something. Got a bag that the shower head came in. I'm going to put them right in there. Cartridge and the pin, and put them aside. Let's see what this is going to look like. Remember, it's got an up. Make sure you put the up. You know what? It looks like if we sweat right onto this, it'll work. So I like that. So in the meantime, I have some cleaning to do. I know my battery's going to go dead. The GoPro. That's a given. If you guys know if they have a long-lasting GoPro battery, let me know. Yeah, that thing's filthy. Get that cleaned pretty well. Remember, it's got to hold pressure when the shower's on. It's probably cleaner than they had it before. I'm actually sweating. Mask on because it's still dusty in here. Thinking about taking it off, but I'm dying in here. Most of the dust settled down. Oh God. Sorry guys. Really? Oh my God. No. Didn't think about switching it. Anyway, you guys saw some of my other videos. Piping this in case my battery goes dead. I might sweat these off, the 90s, and then put some clean that up, put some new ones on there, pipe it all together. So if the battery goes dead, you know that happened. What the heck? I'd sure like to get some new batteries. I'm going to clean this up. Now remember, up always goes up. If you get that messed up, do it like this, sideways, you're going to be really screwed. So you don't want to do that. Alright, that's pretty good. Oh man. Transition. I guess you notice I took the 90 out for the tub spout, so we're going to have to do a new one out of place with a new 90 and then fit it down through to the opening.